Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
First, we will look at ranged formula syntax in Excel. Shown on screen is an example of the syntax used by a common ranged Excel formula. When manually entering a ranged formula, you start by typing the equal sign. The equal sign begins every formula in Excel. Next, you type the name of the function to perform on the cells, like sum, average, min, max, or one of the many others. Next, you type the cell range upon which you are performing the function. This is always enclosed in parentheses. Additional syntax symbols you may need are the colon, which is used to separate the first and last cells in a cell range. If you were reading this formula, it would be equivalent to the word through in English. For example, the formula currently shown on screen is equal the sum of the cell range B2 through B5. Oftentimes you will see a comma. The comma is used to separate items in a list, for example, B2 through B5 and C2 through C5. The comma is equivalent to the word and in English. Oftentimes you'll see a dollar sign as well. A dollar sign is used to denote an absolute reference, which we'll look at more in Chapter 5.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.